Welcome. We're doing the AS level multiple choice questions. This is May, June 2017. That's the summer. And it's question paper 13. Let's see. Oh, don't write in any barcodes. Hey, you can do rough working in this booklet when you receive the test booklets. That's any scribbles you need to do to help you answer the question correctly. Let's see. Yeah, so here we go. First question is, what is an example of the use of ceteris paribus? And ceteris paribus is all other things the same. So we change one variable and everything else remains the same. So let's look at the answers. The rate of increase in wages equals the rate of increase in price levels. This is some equivalence, and that's not about ceteris paribus. And B says there is a constant rise in both wage rates and price levels. That's nice, but it's not about ceteris paribus. C says wage rates and the price level remain constant at their original levels. That's everything's the same. Let's try D. Wage rates rise when the only change is a rise in prices. That's ceteris paribus. One change and everything else remains the same. So answer for one is D. How about 2? What is always true of a positive statement? Positive statements can be proved. So let's see. What is true? It is based on statistical data. Maybe, but that's too specific. It is possible to test its validity. Yes, B looks very good. And C says it's the only basis for economic policy. Well, not necessarily. Sometimes normative statements, sometimes you want to try to achieve a normative statement. It overrides any normative statement. Well, not sure what they mean. So the answer for 2 is B. That's a positive statement. You can test it to see if it's true. Test its validity. Question 3. Oh, look, it's a production possibility curve. Let's see, producing at point P, they're producing here, and says which quantity of Y is given up to produce the quantity of X shown. In other words, what's the opportunity cost of producing 100X? The opportunity cost of producing 100X, let's see, they could produce 150Y, but they lose this amount to produce 100X. That looks like a good trade, a low opportunity cost. I think that's 110. So 150 minus 110 is 40. Answer must be 40, right? Yes.